If you want to look at the next big thing, I would say Meta Platform INC is the one. So hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the stock of Meta Platforms INC and why I am saying this it as next big thing. Now you will see multiple reports, you will see hundred of research papers over there and why they have changed their name from Facebook to Meta. But the thing is, understand it simply. Now, the movie which we have thought can become a reality for us, it is actually happening right now. And you are officially entered into the virtual reality. And this is the pathway, and either you will hate it, either you will like it, either you do whatever you want to do, but you can't ignore it. So let's discuss about the price action because this is what I do. So before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notifications. Now, Facebook has indeed consolidating as of now, okay, but because of the concept, because of this next level thing, understand that it is the land in between which or inside which everybody wants to do their business, because they are covering half of the population, okay, or nearly one third of the population of the entire globe. So if this is the scenario, understand that the kind of profit, just imagine the kind of profit they are about to make going forward, because the thing that they have entered requires brain, requires money, power, requires scale. So not every company, even you can imagine, but you cannot enter, because you need to, reach at that particular level, or you need to enter into that particular level. They have done it. Now I would, restrict myself to the stock price chart rather than going into anything else. So right now, if you are looking at this stock, it is maybe consolidating, but it should be one of those stocks where the accumulation will be on the higher side. The accumulation, because we have seen things have happened in the past because of which stock has fallen down, but at the end of the day, people are standing tall and the company stands tall. You will see the business is functioning quite normally. So now we understand that whatever has happened in the past are just or was just normal corrections as far as the stock price chart is concerned. Right now, so if you're looking at the chart right now, what you can simply see is your big support level or stop loss at $225, and on the way up what we are looking is a price range which is in between $600 and $800 on the upside. So this is what we are looking at. If it still trading inside this range, or if there is a range which is changing or a trend which is changing, we have to reanalyze it. But the rationale behind this thing is quite similar. You are leading the human race towards the next big thing, okay. These companies have those potential and it is one of them. So do not even try to ignore the capability as far as the stock trend is concerned. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.